Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the Freestyle Projector wall mount, designed to be fully compatible with the Samsung Freestyle Projector. This includes the first generation sulfur monophosphide LSP3BLA, the second generation sulfur monophosphide LFF3CLA, as well as a range of other models like sulfur monophosphide LSP3BLAXXL and sulfur monophosphide LFF3CLAXXC. Whether you're mounting on the wall or ceiling, this bracket is engineered to give your projector a stable and secure home while keeping your setup clean and organized. The mount is made from a high-quality, durable plastic that's less prone to scratches compared to traditional metal mounts. Despite its lightweight design, it's built to perfectly support the full weight of the projector, ensuring long-lasting durability and stability. One of the biggest advantages of this mount is its flexibility. You can install it almost anywhere, wall, ceiling, or even unconventional spaces, and adjust the projector to achieve the perfect viewing angle. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The package comes with all the necessary tools, including screws and expansion tubes, along with detailed instructions to guide you step by step. You don't need any advanced tools or professional help, which makes it ideal for home use. The mount's design also complements modern interiors, featuring a clean, white, round profile that blends seamlessly with your space rather than standing out like a bulky accessory. Once installed, this mount transforms your projector setup into a professional-looking home theater. You can project onto walls, ceilings, or floors, making it perfect for movie nights, presentations, or gaming. By securing the projector off tables or shelves, it also protects your device from accidental knocks or spills while saving space in your living area. So if you're looking for a simple, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing solution to mount your Samsung Freestyle projector, this wall and ceiling mount is a solid choice. Its combination of durability, ease of installation, and versatile placement options makes it an excellent addition to any home entertainment setup. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you next time.